Hello again. So, unexpected today. Didn't think it was going to come in because it said it was going to take a while, but here it is. And I know fellow metalheads might not be as into it, but I sure as fuck am. It's a gift for my wife, to be honest, but Avery might like it.
Actually, I think he's asleep.
It's got some stuff in here too. It's like a little insert and such. It's really nicely packaged. We'll save that. I like it's in really nice condition.
I'm gonna go get a glass of lychee juice.
Cora, the meditation's not over yet.
Daddy, can I have some lychee juice?
For 2017, sleep is in pretty good condition. So what do we got here? So there's the booklet. Okay, so lyrics, same kind of CD thing going on. Is there any goodies in there? No.
I'm going to go and get my robot.
All right, you go ahead. Assuming this is going to be shit. This thing is heavy duty. Oh, it's a dual vinyl. Okay, that's... Wow, it's even got like the plastic inserted. Damn, they did nice on this one. Pretty basic, not a colored vinyl, but that's okay. Nothing wrong with that. But yeah, it's dual. Side one, so we'll have to throw this on and surprise Mommy when she gets home. These cables.
What are you doing in my gym?
I was just looking for a bathroom and I got lost.
The old
So,
I had to pee excuse.
I don't think I ever really introduced myself. My name is Dallas. I've been collecting vinyl for quite some time, but I really just kind of started to get into the newer stuff. You good?
Yeah.
So, this is my turntable. This is a Sony PSX 600. And yes, I am using the Bose 901 system. I know it's got a lot of hate, but fuck it, it's a nice system. With the equalizer, of course, you don't use it without the equalizer, it sounds like shit. I had quite an extensive collection before, but this is now, so we got older stuff, you know, Neil Young, Bad Company, Elton John, sort of dealios, kind of indie, punk, you know, Green Day, Gordon Downey, Black Keys, Gorillaz, shit ton of Gorillaz. This is a really cool one. And then here's all my metal selections. So it's getting there. It's not super big, but it's getting kind of filled up. But yeah, there's the back of it. It's pretty much exactly how I remember it. Cool. Definitely have to hang on to that too. All right. Thanks for watching.